purchased these. I got a set of 4. They have tie-down straps, 2 at the head, and then 2 at that first divot. Sit well. They're, I'm going to guess, about 3 inches thick. But trying to cushion down on this as hard as I can. A lot of cushion. I bought a set last year from Walmart, and they lasted 1 season. You don't get much out of these, but because I leave them out year round. But these are a lot nicer than the ones that I got at Walmart, and they were actually a little bit cheaper. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Look nice. Well pleased.